How to convert audio files to text in Switch. Add your audio files to Switch by using the Add Files button. In the Output Format dropdown, choose .txt, then click Convert. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to convert audio files to text in Switch. Start by adding your audio files to Switch. You can either drag and drop them directly into the program or click the Add Files button to select them manually. Next, set your output location by entering a folder path in the Save to Folder field, or click Browse to choose a destination. In the Output Format dropdown, select .txt to convert your audio into text format. If you're converting multiple files, note that Switch will automatically process all files if none are selected. To convert only specific files, hold the Ctrl key and click each file you want. Once everything is set, click Convert. After the process finishes, click Open Output Folder at the bottom of the window to access your converted text files. For more Switch tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.